try to explain this ratchet a little bit. The ratchet mechanism is in the area of the knurled ring. You turn the knurled ring to reverse the ratcheting. The head swivels on this thing. With this lock. This socket, I'm calling it a socket, but this drive doesn't come off. The sockets go into it. And you would use it as a ratchet that way. Has this little weird extension. Goes with it. This also ratchets. Again, the mechanism is in the area of the knurled ring, clockwise and counterclockwise by rotating the knurled ring. And the sockets snap into it also. Marked